What's it going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and we are back. As you can tell by the title of the video, I made about $3,000 profit on my Apex Trader Funding account. Now, again, this is just the challenge phase. It's a one-step challenge phase. You have to make 6%, and you can't lose more than 3%. And the thing about this versus traditional prop firms or the prop firms like TFT, the prop firms we've been trading before, like FTMO, you guys saw me trade before, is that the drawdown moves up as you go in equity. Or drawdown moves up as your balance goes up. So it's always 3%. It's not like if you make profits, it becomes 4%, 5%, 6%. No, it always moves up with the profits that you make. Now, that is one downside to this, but again, it's just teaching you proper risk management and learning how to preserve your capital. So I'm not mad about it. It's helping me become a better trader. Now, I want to show you guys the I want to show you guys the profit that I made. But the thing about this company is that I do not think they have I don't think they have a dashboard. That's what sucks about it. So if we go to account summary, if we go to like the page you just saw was the dashboard. But let's see. All right, so I've traded one. Okay, I've traded one day, and I have about $3,213 profit. This is the actual account balance. The target is 106,000 still. And let me actually break the trade down for you guys. Yeah, this is all I can see. This is all I can see. Let me see if I can. Yeah. It's 100K trade of 8. If you know what that is, then you know what it is. Yeah, this is all that. It's definitely not as descriptive or not as representative of your trades as, other prop firms like TFT, TFF, FTMO, so on and so forth. It's not as beautiful, it's not as flashy as those, but nonetheless, this is here. You can see that I made $3,000 profit, and I'll show you my account as well. You can see down here that the account is at 103,212, just like this. 103,213. Well, it's $1 off, but you get the point. So let me go ahead and break the trade down for you guys. Again, this is a futures prop firm. You cannot trade Forex on here, strictly futures. And I still trade Forex. I'm not transitioning away from Forex. I'm just adding futures into the mix. All right. Especially now, just until all the prop firm stuff clears up. So at least for now, I'm trading futures, and I'm definitely liking it. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys this trade. I'm going to break it down for you guys and show you guys what I was looking at. So this was the buy on gold. If we go down to the weekly's bullish, daily's bearish, 4 hours bullish. You can see on the weekly, pure bullishness broke up. Now we're simply retesting to potentially continue to the upside. All right. There's no guarantees. All of this is potential. All right. So you can see the daily is bearish. It went bearish after it broke this flow right here. Boom. We went bearish. And now, in order for the daily to go bullish, we'd have to break above this structure point right over here, which we haven't done. On the 4 hour, we are bullish. So the 4 hour and weekly are in sync, which caused me to take this trade. I did not mind at all. Although we hit a monthly resistance, although we did tap into the monthly resistance, I was at least expecting a retracement. If price wanted to sell, I was at least expecting this area to give me some kind of pullback to the upside, which can be considered a retracement if we were going to sell. Now, I'm still looking for buys. I'm still looking for price to push up to the upside. But, I'm just saying, I was at least expecting a retracement. That's exactly what we got. As we scale down to lower time frames, I got my A plus setup right at that zone that was broken. So let me go back a little bit. We broke above this 4 hour zone right here. We were either retesting that zone or this zone. In this case, we retested both. This was market open Sunday Asian session. So we retested that, and then New York / London session, and we came back down. We retested this low over here. So we got the best of both worlds, and I'm currently, as I showed you, in profit. And this is the setup right here. Boom, inside bar setup, beautiful setup. So I entered the trade right off of the close of this candle, and we just pushed to the upside. At this point, I was asleep, and I had my alerts on. I couldn't go break even at 50% because I was asleep, but nonetheless, price hit TP and it was a beautiful trade. So I'm currently looking, what I'm looking for gold to do is either close above here on the daily to confirm bullishness, continued bullishness. I mean, you could buy from here. This is definitely valid buys, but safe buys would be for the daily to break above here and then wait for a retest to continue to the upside, especially to take out this daily high right over here. Boom. Beautiful daily wick. That just looks like money right above it. So we can potentially expect that. Or I want the 4-hour to shift bearish in line with the daily. And that would happen once we get a 4-hour close candle right below this low. So I'm waiting for one of the two to happen. Again, may look for buys over here. But I'm going to be cautious around this area, especially because we're in a tight squeeze right now. We're stuck in between this 4-hour level that already gave a retracement, which could definitely give another retracement, especially it being gold. But then again, we are at a monthly resistance. So I'm being very careful taking a trade at this area. And I just want to see these candles don't phase me. You could go bullish all you want, but if the candle doesn't close the way I want it to, the trade is not valid. So right now I'm just being patient and waiting for my setup. So I'm going to continue to update you guys. And you guys know I'm very transparent. Win or lose, I do not care. You guys saw me fell a 200K account. You guys saw me fell multiple accounts, but you guys also saw me pass some accounts and get a payout from an FTMO account back in November. So I'm transparent. I'll show you guys everything. There's nothing for me to hide, and I'm going to continue to be transparent. So there's nothing for you guys to worry about on that side when it comes to transparency. I don't care what you guys have to say in terms of negatives. Definitely do critique me if you have something to say about my psychology. And that's a work in progress. But, for the most part, I'm doing a lot better now. Got my head on my shoulders. And yeah, we're just waiting for the next setup. And I will continue to update you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.